हाय फ्रेंड, आज की वीडियो में आज हम देखेंगे क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ अल्केल हैलाइड. अल्केल हैलाइड आर द फर्दर क्लासिफाइड इनटू द थ्री कैटेगरीज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ टाइप्स ऑफ कार्बन atom to which halogen atom is bonded. Now there are the three types of alkyl halide: primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, and tertiary alkyl halide. Now first we see the primary alkyl halide. What is the alkyl halide? The alkyl halide in which halogen atom is bonded to the primary carbon atoms. Primary carbon atoms means the carbon atom, the primary carbon atom, the carbon atom which is attaches to the another carbon atoms, called the primary alkyl halide. For example, in the primary alkyl halide, CS2. This is the primary alkyl halide. Sorry, primary carbon atom. The primary carbon atom which the alkyl halide is bonded. So this is the primary alkyl halide. The carbon atom to which the only one another carbon atom is bonded. Now अगर सीधा सीधा कहा जाए, that is the only one carbon atoms means this is only one carbon atom bonded to the another carbon atom. This is primary carbon atom, and the halogen group is bonded to the primary carbon atom. This is the primary alkyl halide. Now second examples of the primary alkyl halide is this is the carbon atom which is bonded to the only one another carbon atom. So this is the primary carbon atom. Now this carbon is bonded to the another three carbon atom, 1, 2 and 3. So this is tertiary alkyl halide, but this carbon is bonded to the only one another carbon atom. So this is the primary carbon atom, and in this primary carbon atom halide group is attached. So this is primary alkyl halide. Now third examples of primary alkyl halide. This is primary carbon atom. This is also primary carbon atom. This is the primary carbon atom. This also primary carbon, because this carbon atom, this carbon is attached to the only one another carbon atom. So this is primary carbon atom, and in this carbon atom only one halide, in the primary carbon atom halide group it attaches. So this is primary alkyl halide. Now the general formula for representation of the primary alkyl halide is that this is halide group. Now second we see secondary alkyl halide. Now what is the secondary alkyl halide? The alkyl halide in which halogen atom is bonded to the secondary carbon atom. What is the secondary carbon atom? The secondary carbon atom is the carbon which is attached to the two another carbon atoms, and that carbon atom halide group is attaches. That is called as the secondary alkyl halide. For example, this carbon atom is attached to the two another carbon atom. So this is secondary carbon atom, and in this secondary carbon atom halide group is attaches. So this is secondary alkyl halide. Now अगर यही halide group हाच halide group इथं अटॅच असता, This is the primary. But in this case, this halide group is attaches to the second number of, this is first, second and third carbon. Now this halide group is attaches to the second, and this carbon atom is attaches to the another two carbon atoms. So this is the secondary alkyl halide. Second examples of the secondary alkyl halide is this is the secondary alkyl halide. This is the sec-butyl bromide. Now the general formula for representation from the secondary alkyl halide is that R CH X R dash. Now this R dash or R may be same or different. This is the general formula for representation from the secondary alkyl halide. Now third we see the tertiary alkyl halide. The tertiary alkyl halide means what? The alkyl halide in which the halogen atom is bonded to the tertiary carbon atom. And what is the tertiary carbon atom? The tertiary carbon is the carbon which attaches to the three another carbon atoms. That is the tertiary carbon, and that is called the tertiary alkyl halide. So for example, for the tertiary alkyl halide is that this is tetrabutyl bromide. In this case, this carbon atom is bonded to the another three carbon atoms, 1, 2 and these 3. So this is tertiary alkyl halide, and this halide group is attached to the this carbon indirectly. So this is the tertiary alkyl halide. Now second example, this is tetrapentyl chloride. Now in this case, this halide group is attached to that carbon, and this carbon is attached to the another three carbon atoms. So this is the tertiary alkyl halide. Now the general formula for the representation from the tertiary alkyl halide is that C R dash second dash. This is any halide group, and this R1, R dash or R double dash may be same or the different. This all about classification of alkyl halide. Thank you for watching. Thank you.